Hi guys, if you want to place the live trades directly on TradingView using Pepperstone account, this setup is actually very simple once the broker connection is enabled. So first of all, you just have to come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, you just have to click on this search icon here on the top. Now you need to open any of the charts available over here in front of you. So let's say I've launched the chart of gold. So when you launch the chart, you are going to see this type of trade icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you click on the trade icon, you will be shown all of the brokers that you can basically list with your trading account. So you just have to click on the option of show all brokers, and among the given list, you need to simply look for Pepperstone. Now, when you're able to find Pepperstone, you just have to simply click on it, then click on the option of connect. Now, what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you on the login page of Pepperstone. So if you have already logged in into your Pepperstone account, you are going to see this type of connect option. So here you just have to do nothing but to just simply click on the option of approve access, and this way your Pepperstone credentials will come inside TradingView, and here it is going to look something like this, that you have successfully connected Pepperstone with your account. Now you can use it in order to place your trades here on TradingView. So that's how basically you can trade on TradingView with the help of Pepperstone. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.